Alright, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, special video for you all here today. I am doing my new part-time gig, which is Amazon Flex, and we are about 5 minutes out from my first stop, and this is one of 30 stops. We are delivering a quick Amazon package over here, and we've got 29 more in the car, and really excited about the Cybercab event that just went down. I thought to myself, like, how can I actually put this into play today without having to wait for my own Cybercab? You know, I do have FSD, so I thought this would be a really great experiment to try FSD with Amazon Flex. And it's a pretty cool look, there goes the Amazon truck right there. It's a pretty cool app that Amazon designed for anyone with their own car that wants to stop by the warehouse and pick up some boxes and deliver them after work, which is exactly what I'm doing. I just got off work and I went straight to the warehouse, and here we go. So we're about 5 minutes out from my first delivery, and I'm going to show you how autonomously the car is going to deliver the packages for me. All I have to do is walk out to the doorstep, scan the package, and take a picture of it, come back to my car, and then off to the next address. So we're going to show you this in full example here. And yeah, so we are just about 4 minutes out from my stop. And Amazon's got a pretty nifty app, I have to say. The way it works with their, you know, they could be the first Robotaxi customer, if I'm not mistaken. They would do really great with Robotaxis, because I'm witnessing it right here. And shout out to Tesla with FSD working amazing on these curvy, narrow back roads here. So yeah, we're gonna pull up, and then we've got 29 more packages. This is supposed to be a 4-hour gig here, so 30 packages in 4 hours. We're gonna try to knock that out here. Hopefully they're all right up the street from each other. I'm in Fairfax, Virginia, so Northern Virginia. And yeah, hopefully, you know, get a little extra cash after work. That kind of helps me for my lunches throughout the week. If I just do this like once or twice a week, then I can really eat nice during the week, because going out to eat nowadays is really expensive. So this is why I like to once in a while spend money on Amazon. So I'll do this, you know, it's kind of like my guilty pleasure spending. So yeah, it's not bad actually, because I'm doing FSD anyways, so it's not like I gotta sit there and drive, but you know, I do have to sit there and supervise. So yeah, here we go. We are about 2 minutes out, and just some really nice, smooth driving by the car so far. Yeah, I can't really do this more than like once or twice max a week, because it is energy consuming for sure. And then sometimes I get apartment buildings, and then you gotta run up and down flights of stairs. So it's definitely not for everyone, and I like to do it because it gives me like a little bit of exercise too, because I sit in an office behind the desk all day. So I know I do a lot of sitting in the car as well too, but I figured if I can at least get paid off of doing this once in a while, and it's not a bad gig. Alright, so, and I get to check out my area and really see some cool cuts of my area that I've never been to. Like last time I did it all in Great Falls, and I went to some ginormous houses, and looks like that's exactly where we're heading here. So and I'm gonna show you quickly the process on how this is done without revealing any. Uh-oh, FSD is like, nope, we're not there yet. Awesome. So just quickly Yeah, there we are. So what I'm gonna do real quick, and because I like the way FSD pulled up right here perfectly, I'm actually just gonna back in this way. Put the hazards on. Alright, so parked, so all we gotta do is then scan the package into one envelope. Alright, not bad. The worst part about this is always locating the next package. So, let's see. Alright, so we're only 2 minutes away. But, like I said, the most fun is locating the next package. So then we got number 3 right there, and they do mark them, so it's not that bad. We got number 9 right there, and that again is number 3, number 10, 19, and I try to place them in some sort of order. So that would be number 6, number 4, number 17, going back for now, with 15, number 23, 5, 23, going back, and I can go here, and there we are with number 2. So we're just going to go ahead and continue. For the sake of this video, let's see what FSD can do from. So, alright, we're gonna give it a little tap so it knows it can go ahead and leave, and there we go. It knows to leave the driveway. Did a very good job about leaving the driveway. And let's see now if it can make it to our destination. So we're just 2 minutes out here, and I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. There's going to be a lot more videos like this coming up. Probably once a week I'll try to shoot a little glimpse. And look at what it's doing. It's got to go like all the way around and then back out, which is weird. But we're going to let it do its thing because here we are, you know, just let the car drive to the next destination, and that's really all you got to do. So yeah, if you have some extra spare time, you know, give Amazon a check out, especially if you have a Tesla and FSD and extra time after work, and that would be me once in a while. So that's kind of whenever I like to check it out. So really nice job with the right turn there, and before you know it, I'm gonna be at my number 2 stop, and it's not that hard. It's kind of easy, but at the same time it takes a lot of paying attention and supervising. So here we go. Really nice job pulling me into the neighborhood, and like I said, I get to see a lot of little cuts that I was unaware of. So here we go. We're gonna run into someone over here. Let's see what FSD does with someone in the middle of the road. Perfect, actually. And here we are at the second stop now. Really nice. FSD doing its thing, pulling me in right here. And yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching this. More to come, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. And let's see, we're gonna just go ahead and quickly scan this one in, last one, and here we are. Perfect. Thanks guys for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed, and wow, perfect day out here in the DMV. Have a great rest of your day.